New York.
Yeah.
It looks that way.
I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad either. Great place to be stranded. Especially in this suite where we can watch.
Authorities say they encountered the man with a gas can and shotgun
Disney never gets.
dropped both the weapons.
I mean, for what it's becoming increasingly, in a remote working environment, we are always sort of from like people saying that they are someone and blah blah blah. You know, we're small enough now.
I would love to see one of those guys get past Sam's technical interview. That would be so funny.
He introduced us to, hopefully while we're still here physically, is going to come to him and say he's got a team of killers.
He's going to ask everyone about this. It's fun. The partner's going to be technical. It's going to be the technical discussion. Fuck yeah! That was good.
I think we did it.
Well, he went 10 minutes over. He went 10 minutes over.
Alright, so what I'm going to demo here is Elide Classic, which is what we're calling our current open source version. So what you're going to see here is like our previous version, what comes out